Ever wondered how to master a microscope without the fear of breaking something expensive? Well, today we're diving into the future of learning with the AR Microscope Trainer. This isn't just another app. It's your personal lab assistant, designed to make science intuitive, engaging, and super fun. Say goodbye to confusing instruction manuals and hello to hands-on learning, guided by the power of augmented reality. Let's get started. Imagine you're sitting in front of a real microscope, but with a superpower. Our AR overlay guides your every move. See these glowing arrows? They're pointing exactly where you need to look and what you need to adjust. One points to the focus knob, showing you how to get a crystal clear image. Another highlights the magnification controls, so you can zoom in and out like a pro. And this one shows you precisely where to place your specimen slide. Floating text labels like adjust focus and place slide here pop up right when you need them, taking all the guesswork out of the process. It's like having an expert teacher right there with you, making sure you build confidence from your very first try. Now for the really cool part, let's take a look at a plant cell. As we peer through the eyepiece, we zoom right into a vibrant microscopic world. Here we see the basic structure of a plant cell. That central sphere? That's the nucleus, the cell's command center. See the sturdy outer layer? That's the cell wall, providing strength and structure. And these little green ovals? Those are the chloroplasts, the tiny powerhouses that perform photosynthesis. Our AR guide points out each part, making it easy to identify and remember these key components. It's like taking a guided tour inside a leaf. Ready for a challenge? Let's test your knowledge with a quick mini game. The mission is simple. Find the chloroplasts. You'll see a mix of different organelles on the screen, but you need to quickly tap on all the chloroplasts before the 20-second timer runs out. Each time you tap a correct one, it glows green. This isn't just a game. It's a fast and fun way to reinforce what you've just learned, training your eye to spot these important structures instantly. How many can you find? So, we've explored a plant cell, but what about an animal cell? Let's put them side by side for a quick comparison. Notice any differences? The animal cell on the right doesn't have that rigid cell wall we saw in the plant cell. And look closely, it's also missing the green chloroplasts. This simple visual comparison helps you understand the fundamental differences between plant and animal life at a cellular level, making complex biology concepts much easier to grasp. So, what have we learned? The AR Microscope Trainer is more than just a tool. It's a revolutionary way to learn. It builds real-world lab confidence by guiding you through complex procedures step by step. It sharpens your observation skills through interactive exploration and fun mini-games. You're not just memorizing facts. You're experiencing science. Ready to unlock your inner scientist and explore the unseen world around you. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to subscribe for more amazing learning adventures.